Here's a classic banana pudding recipe that embodies the flavors and indulgence of this beloved southern dessert. Ingredients: 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 cups whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 3/4 ripe bananas, sliced, 1 box Nilla wafers, about 11 ounces, whipped cream or meringue for topping, optional. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, flour, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the whole milk and egg yolks until well combined. Gradually pour the milk and egg mixture into the saucepan with the dry ingredients, whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Cook the mixture, stirring constantly, until it thickens and reaches a pudding-like consistency. This typically takes about 8–10 minutes. Once thickened, remove the pudding from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Let it cool for a few minutes. In a serving dish or trifle bowl, start assembling the banana pudding layers. Begin with a layer of Nilla wafers at the bottom, followed by a layer of sliced bananas. Pour a portion of the warm pudding over the banana layer, covering it completely. Repeat the layering process, creating alternating layers of Nilla wafers, sliced bananas, and pudding until the ingredients are used up. Ensure the top layer is pudding. Cover the assembled banana pudding and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight to allow the flavors to meld and the wafers to soften. Before serving, you can optionally top the chilled banana pudding with a layer of whipped cream or meringue for added decadence and flavor. This classic banana pudding recipe captures the essence of Southern comfort desserts and is perfect for gatherings or just indulging in a delightful treat with its creamy texture and layers of sweet bananas, pudding, and Nilla wafers.